channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much for clicking on the video, guys. And today is our Jimin's birthday. Yes, so okay. I have a lot of things planned, guys. Okay, so first I'm gonna be posting basically two videos of Jimin. Now the first video is going to be the reaction to his songs, which is Filter. So I've chosen Filter and Promise. And yes, I'm gonna be reacting to the Filter performance also, but I'll not show the performance on screen because it was an online concert and I really do not want to violate any copyright stuff. So I really do not want to do that. You guys told me that people are doing it, but I do not want to do it. So that's the thing. Because it has not been shared by Big Hit or any other person by, on a public platform. It has been shared by the armies. So that's why I'm a little skeptical. But I will react to the performance. Okay. And the second is going to be two compilations of Jimin. So I will of course post that as a separate video. So right now I'm going to be reacting to first Filter and then Promise and then the Filter performance from the online concert. So yes, let's just start. Super excited to listen. I know a bit of that song because it played like in the compilation videos. So yes. Okay, let's start. The lyric video photograph is only so beautiful. Okay, sorry. Oh wow. This music! Okay. I'm sorry. His voice, oh my god. Firstly, this is a song, like I said, when I listened to it, it had a little bit of salsa feel to it, and then his vocals on top of that. Will I be able to survive this song? Oh, by the way, armies, did you notice? I purple you. Okay, sorry. Let's just start the song. Otherwise, though, I'll just keep talking to you. Please look at me now. Oh my god, the lyrics are so enticing and I'm a little scared now to react to the performance because looking at the lyrics, I can imagine what kind of choreography it's going to be. So, armies, am I ready? Am I ready for it? Because, seeing your comments, I have to protect my heart. Okay. Oh, when he pulls that note, guys. I will take you to a whole new world. Wow. Oh, that's why this song is called Filter. Mix the colors in the palette and pick your filter. So it's basically, he's saying that I can be whatever you want me to be. Right? He's saying that I can be whatever you want me to be. I have different kind of palettes. I have different colors in me. So just choose and pick. Right? Yes. His vocals, I don't know what to concentrate on, his vocals or the beats or the lyrics. Getting a little difficult, na, armies? Okay. Okay. I'm sorry, what? How did he say okay? Yeah, I think it was a mistake to get my coffee with me because probably going to be choking on my drink several times. He's so...
Okay. 어때 조금 느낌이
Again!
Okay. 어때 조금 느낌이 와
He's not even calming down in a song. I cannot even imagine what kind of performance I'm really scared to look at the performance now. Really. I don't think I'm ready. Okay.
Okay. 어때 조금 느낌이 와 아직 모자라 Yes. Girl, you have your chance.
I can be your genie?
Genie. How about the Aladdin? 뭐든 대줄게. 나의 골랐으면 되게. 미금처럼 날 감싸 안을 거야. 미라서 내가 너를 위해.
It's basically him embodying any kind of person or any kind of personality, not person, let's say personality, for this partner. So he's giving the choice to the partner.
늘 똑같은 건 재미없잖아. 팔레트 속색을 섞어. Pick your filter. 어떤 날을 원해.
God.
너의 세상을 변화시켜. I'm your filter. 네 맘에 씹어줘. 푸른 듯하이로 변한 날 봐. 볼수록 귀여워 미치도록.
The more you see, the cuter This is such an apt line for Jimin. Don't you guys agree, armies? The more you see, the cuter I get, which drives you crazy. This is Jimin. This is exactly what we feel when we look at Jimin, right? Because I keep saying that he never calms down, and he's not calming down in his vocals also. How is he even pulling these beautiful notes? You know, he can really, I think he can also really modulate his voice. Because listen to this song, it's so, his vocals are so perfectly fine and crisp. I'm done for, guys.
취향도 기준도 뛰어넘어. 넌 오직
Oh.
나만이 원하게 돼. Yeah.
This line, I think all armies have now very high standards of husbands and boyfriends. So again, this line is so suited to him and in all the members, I feel. Okay.
Yeah. 날 만든 사람 바로 너니까. 난 여태 네가 본 적 없는 brand new filter. 내게 널 맡겨봐. 더 짜릿한 걸 볼 수 있게. Pick your filter. 나와 날 담아봐.
Yeah, this was the part I think I listened to. Oh wow.
새로운 노래가 될 거야. 에이, 날 네 맘에 씌워줘.
Oh my god, that last part. That last part.
될 거야. 에이,
Did you listen to that? He
맡겨봐. 새로운 노래가 될 거야.
very fine voice and then he deepens his voice.
날 네 맘에 씌워줘.
Armies, I don't know what to say. At this point, they just keep getting better and better. So this is from Map of the Soul 7, right? So this is the latest, this is the album which was the latest album, right? So, should I even look at the performance? I don't think I should. Okay, but let's listen to Promise and then I'm gonna give my thoughts on both the songs. You anyway know I loved Filter, so we'll listen to Promise now. Okay, wait. Because let's just finish the songs at one go and then I'm gonna give my 2 cents. Okay, and I've kept the window open. And let's start with Promise.
혼자 주저앉아
Such a different song, oh my god. Okay.
생각만 커져가 언제부터 넌 날 아프게 했던가 너조차도 모르잖아 너도 아프잖아 cause you're mine I just wanna blow your mind 이렇게 넌 또 멀어져만 가는데 아무렇지 않은데 그렇게 말하는데 사실은 내가 그게 아닌가 봐 I want you to be right baby
Oh, guys, seriously. Okay, just my first initial thoughts. I love how it's just the guitar, the acoustic guitar, and here if you see his vocals are so like he's like I think a pitch down than what he was singing in Filter. He can really be because there he was sounding so sexy and cool, and here he's sounding so mellow and caring, you know.
근데 사실은 내가 그게 아닌가 봐 I want you to be right baby You should be right 저는 나쁘지 않게 네가 웃을 수 있게 I want you to be right baby
This is a song for armies, right? I think he wrote this song for armies. He's promising this to armies that I want to be your night and I want to be your light. I think this is not a song for particular person. This is a song for armies. And I think Filter is also a song for armies. I feel that. Let me know, huh?
baby You could be your night 이 밤이 너에게 솔직할 수 있게
I'm definitely ordering a cake tonight.
아프잖아 cause you're mine I just wanna blow your mind 이렇게 넌 또 멀어져만 가는데 아무렇지 않은데 그렇게 말하는데 사실은 내가 그게 아닌가 봐 I want you to be right baby You should be right 저는 아프지
That's such a nice line. I want you to be your light. You should be your light. I think he's singing for the armies only. This is a song for armies. He's telling that you should be your light. You know?
저는 아프지 않게 네가 웃을 수 있게 I want you to be your night baby You could be
Yeah, the first time I think I misread it. I read it as I want to be your light, but it's I want you to be your light. He is telling us that we should be our own light so that we won't get hurt. It's about loving ourselves, sort of like that. This is a song for armies and everybody. I think let's just generalize it for everyone. It's for everybody.
이 밤이 너에게 솔직할 수 있게 이제 내게 약속해
He wants us to promise. He is not making a promise. He wants us to make a promise to him. Oh, now I've understood the context of the song.
여기 잠깐 멈춰서 새끼손가락 걸고 이제 내게
This is a promise, right? Pinky promise. Can I tell you something, guys. I honestly want to listen to this song again. It's so soothing and calm. So this is like a song where you're trying to get someone out of sadness. Because first time when I read it, I misread the lyrics. I thought he's saying, I want to be your light. That's my bad. But here actually he's saying, he's asking us to promise him that you have to be your own light so that you are happy. It's about loving yourself. They say, first you should help yourself to help others. So it's sort of like that. Okay, let me give my 2 cents on both the songs first, and then I'll move to the iconic Filter performance. I'm a little scared, guys, to watch it, but I will. Alright. About the song Filter. This is a very salsa-ish song. This is a song which you're supposed to dance with a partner, and I don't know if it had an official MV and the song didn't have a girl, would have been a little disappointed. Because I know armies get jealous. I know that. But imagine if this had an MV and he is not flirting away with someone in the song. If not just one girl, probably a set of females in different phases or whatever it is, then the song is not getting its full justice done. I feel. My opinion, armies, do not kill me. Okay? Because the lyrics are sort of really sexy, where he is giving in to this person and saying that you pick and choose, I'm your filter. I choose whatever version of me you want, because there's a line where he's saying, I can be your genie, how about Aladdin? So he's saying, if you like genie, I'll be the genie. If you like Aladdin, I'll be Aladdin. So I can go from a range where genie can grant you whatever wish you want, till Aladdin, Aladdin had no powers whatsoever, right? So whatever, he's like, I'll be your whatever. So armies, Jimin stans, were you okay when this song released? Oh my goodness, I love the lyrics. His vocals are just... This song, Filter, his vocals were... I think this is the best of... my favorite in Jimin's vocals were Serendipity till now. Yes, it was Serendipity. Now it's Filter. I think now it's Filter, because I think this is a song which actually shows the duality of his vocals, because he is singing in such a crisp, fine voice. He can really, if you are singing, if you do not know who Jimin is, and if somebody is listening, you will be a little confused that who is the singer? Is he a male singer or a female singer? Because he can really modulate his voice to that range, and I really like that. Really like that. So that's really a big compliment to him. So because not a lot of people can do that. Promise is a beautiful... Now Promise, I've understood in terms of meaning, Promise has a much deeper meaning, and Promise is a song which is probably, when we are having a bad day, this is the kind of song that you should be listening to, because when you know the meaning of the song, this is something that will get you out of your bad mood or a bad day, and give you some sort of motivation, at least in your heart. So I think in terms of lyric wise, if I compare lyric to lyric, I don't think these 2 songs can even be compared. But since I have listened to 2 songs back to back, I feel Promise has a very different mood. I will probably listen to Promise when I want to, sort of cheer myself up. And I'll listen to Filter when I probably want to imagine myself dancing with a hot partner. Tell me if I'm wrong, armies. So yes, that was my reaction to Filter and Promise lyric video. And shall we move on to the performance of Filter? I'm not ready. Armies, I'm not ready. You guys have already hyped me up so much. But yes, I'm really excited to listen to the vocals, live vocals. So pray for me. Okay. Oh, Jimin looks great!
널 잡아당긴 표정을 지루한 밝게
like I said, there has to be a girl. He chose a mannequin. I am 100% sure you were jealous of this mannequin also, armies. Do not lie to me.
핸드폰 내려놔 고개 돌릴 생각도 마 Let me know your type 날 골랐으면
His live vocals, man.
너의 눈에 나를 손으로 보게
Did you see? Of course, I can't show you that screen where. Wait. He took the jacket from the mannequin. So imagine if it was a real person. So I want to listen to when he says okay. I'll not be drinking my coffee that time. Oh, it's full of mannequins. The stage presence is no joke. He officially does not know how to calm the F down. Like, lucky mannequins. Oh, you did not just wear those glasses, man. I can be your genie. His live vocals. Ooh. I'm sorry, Jimin stands. He's sort of dancing with the coat. Oh my god. No. Lucky coat. Oh, I'm in love with the song. And are you seeing like this kind of song? This is such a song which is best suited for Jimin's vocals. I have just listened to this song and I don't think the kind of vibe this song has, the flirty vibe, the salsa vibe, the sexy vibe. Honestly, Jimin is the best one to pull it off. I feel, that's my opinion. This is a song which is best sung by him. He's not wearing this. Are you serious? I don't know if you can see, armies. I don't know if you can see the. Oh my god. No. Oh. No.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I did not just watch this step. He did not just do this. He didn't just do this. Whoa. I don't think Jimin stans are watching this video because they are already in their graves. Are you watching from your graves? Jimin stans and non-Jimin stans also at least would have gone into coma, if not died. Oh my god. And his shirt is like a corset. It's a corset shirt. Yeah, I don't mind being that mannequin. I need to calm down for 2 minutes.
2,000 years later.
I can't. Armies, let me just tell you some things. This performance is you can't recover from it. You understand what I'm trying to say? You can't recover from this performance because he just knew that he will put this step and just kill all of us. I don't have words coming out of my mouth. This is permanent damage to the heart. This performance. I will never be able to recover from it. This is already damage is done. Armies who are Jimin stans are already dead. And for someone who's not a Jimin stan, like a hardcore Jimin stan, there is still permanent damage done. And you can't recover. That piece of heart has already gone to Jimin because of this performance. So, bye-bye that piece of heart. You cannot get it back. I was so right in my first statement when I said the first time when I reacted to Dope MV that Jimin doesn't know how to calm down, and I have been proved right time and again. What do you want me to say, Armies? That I'm dead? Is this is my spirit? Probably yes. Probably yes. So yeah, Jimin, thank you so much for killing me on your birthday. That has added probably more life to you. I do not mind at all. Take a piece of my heart. I do not mind. I really do not mind. So yeah, that was my reaction to Filter. And I will of course shoot the compilation reaction after I recover from this song and this performance. Probably take a while. Because oh my god. Do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. And if you do not mind seeing a shocked face of me very often, then do subscribe. And I will see you on my next video. Happy birthday, Jimin!